if you haven't watched my video that I posted hopefully somewhat recently, I finally fixed my Famicom disk system. It was a journey, and I don't even know if the video that where I actually fixed this was really even palatable, but it's fixed except for some of these games that I have just don't work. And so I am going to attempt to clean them and see if I can get them to work. I'm also going to take this as an opportunity to go over my actual Famicom disk system collection, because this is essentially another one of my collection videos, but we're actually going to be fixing and testing them. Hopefully we're going to start with the ones that are not working, and then I will go grab the ones that are working, because I didn't think that far ahead for some reason. Starting with my 2 copies of F1 Race that unfortunately neither of them tested out working initially. So I'm gonna pull that out, pull both of them out. I don't know if this is like actually how these initially came. I mean, that looks like an official sticker, but this is my only complete inbox, or at least as close to complete inbox as disk system games can get. Yet it is not fully operational. This one looks like immaculate, so I don't know why it didn't work. But I've got some alcohol pads here, and I'm basically just going to tear them open, and they're just little itty bitty things. They're not like the big ones that restaurants used to give you. This is as big as they are. So I'm going to have to slide this one open and then hold it like that. And then I'm going to twist it where the spindle is and just keep twisting and getting that alcohol to wipe on both sides all along it. And I think I spun it enough. You can use this circle as a guide for seeing if you actually got across everywhere. I don't know how I'm supposed to let them dry though, especially when I can't. I have to hold this slider thing open for these blue ones. I don't know if there's an easy way to take these apart either, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to actually take it apart or not. Maybe I need to have like a dry cloth that I can. Oh, actually, I do have a dry cloth that I can do the same thing to. Maybe it doesn't really want to spin that well. I think there's also some alcohol on the inside of the plastic now, so maybe this wasn't the best way to go about it. How's it looking on the other side? Maybe I just need to throw it in there and see if it works. Maybe getting it in there and having it spin around will actually take care of things a little better. Metroid's already in there. That is one of my working games. But let's turn on the TV. Why is it not working? Okay, we still get a error 22 here. Yep, okay. Well, I don't think this one's going to work. We'll do the next copy of F1 Race. I wish I had an official Famicom disk system cleaning kit, but I don't. I know that there was one back in the day. Nope. Okay. Next one is this game. Oh man, I feel like this is going to be a terrible video. What is this game? I genuinely don't know. I assume I can figure it out if I Google this code. It is UU Key Part 1 and 2, or just Part 1? I don't know. Is Part 1 on side A and Part 2 on side B? I literally have no idea what this game is about. Let's clean it and test it. And we have life, maybe. Hey! Do I know what any of this says? I don't know. If it's anything like the other games, flip it to side B. Oh, maybe I was just supposed to press start. I don't know. Calling it good. Still don't really know what the game is. While that's loading, I'm gonna just try cleaning the F1 game again with a new pad. Okay, well, pressing the buttons doesn't really do anything, so I'm not really sure what you're supposed to do. Doesn't help that I do not speak the language here. Yeah, and then it just yells at me when I take it out. Okay. Putting it back in. I'm gonna put UU Key 2 away. Dude, I don't know what it is about F1. Neither of these F1 games won't work. Okay, moving on. We have what I'm assuming is a Castlevania game. It's Konami, 1986. That would be Castlevania. I believe it's just the first Castlevania. So let's clean this up and see if it works this time. My new method is to just do it on one side, so it actually gets like all the way across, because I was noticing that the edges weren't getting very clean. And let's try it. No, it did not work. I'm also noticing that like Metroid has 3 dots And these ones have 4. I don't know if that makes a difference or not. These have 3 dots. I mean, for some reason, this still isn't working. This also has 3 dots, but I just don't know if that's like a common theme. I'm going to try it one more time. Sometimes you literally just got to give it a smack on the head and it works. Looks like it's Castlevania to me. Now loading. I can read that, even though I'm seeing the exact same image you're seeing. I never grew up with like floppy disks or anything like this, and I find it interesting that you almost immediately flip to side B to load the rest of the game. I thought it would have been more like PlayStation, where you put in the first disc, and once you get to a certain point, then you put in the second disc. And now it's not reading the B side. Error 7. Why you no work? I just want it to work, man. Okay, well, side B just doesn't want to work. Crazy. But putting Metroid in, this is the only one where I don't have to hit it. I don't have to do anything. Just fires right up. Look at that. Metroid. Flip it over. And I think I may have flipped it over too soon. And now I can flip it to side B. And now it's loading. I did it too fast. Boy, does this loading stuff take forever. And there we go. We're in Metroid. I can play it and there's no problems. It's the only game that I have that gives me absolutely no problems. So let's try this game where this girl's on the phone. FMCTC4. What? This doesn't look anything like this. This is a different game. What is this? This is FSCT. What? This does not match. Maybe this game is in another case somewhere, but what in the world? Let's clean this guy up. This is apparently a rare game that's selling for almost $100 on eBay. I mean, I guess this is only the part 2. They have part 1 and part 2. I can trap the alcohol wipe in the little thing and just spin it that way. Makes it a lot easier. All right, let's try it after I take out Metroid. Is this the correct game? Well, it's unmarked. Oh, no, it's not. It just has one side. Interesting. While I'm trying to get this one to go, I will clean this one up. Error 20. That's different. I guess there's no B side, technically, but I'll still clean both sides. Because I don't know if it's like the kind of thing where this is A side, but it's really scanning the bottom. I don't know. We're going to try this again. It's green now. This is stolen 30 minutes of my life. I'm never getting back. Error 20 again. What is error 20, though? I'm going to turn it off. Turn it back on. Dude, I don't even know what error 20 is. What the flip, Kip? Okay. Well, I'll try this soccer game. Or table tennis? Table tennis. Why did I think it was soccer? Simply put, it is called Smash Ping Pong. And it fired right up. Just need a little clean. Cool. I genuinely don't even know how to hit the ball. I'm pressing A, and that goes to the other side. Right and left on the D-pad, move my guy back and forth. Down doesn't seem to do anything. Up doesn't seem to do anything. B only throws it up for the serve, it seems like. There's no motion control. Do I have to? No. How do you play the game? This doesn't make any sense. There's no motion controls. I don't know. Maybe I need another peripheral for this game, or I don't know. Tell me if I'm being stupid or not. But yeah, I still can't get some of these games to work after cleaning. Maybe I still need to do more. And yeah, I'm going to go get the games that do work, which I can go ahead and put this game away. But we got Mario Golf, or probably just called Golf. We've got whatever the heck this is. SQF MTM, Metamag, whatever that means. I honestly don't remember seeing this working. And I did this just a few days ago. It's made by Square, probably why it's SQF. I've got alcohol pads everywhere. And even though these were working, I wouldn't mind cleaning them up a little bit. And now that I've figured out this method, this goes by pretty fast. Just gotta bunch it up, get it under there, and boom. Nice, even, clean. And that's B side. Bada bing, bada boom. Where did my controller go? I put it away. And instantly we flip it to B side. Don't even see anything. Wait, please. All right, so it's some sort of platformer that doesn't want to be in focus. Oh. Literally don't even know what's going on. Doesn't even seem like it can get hurt. Anyways, that game works. I've got some manuals for games that I don't even know if I have. I think this goes with this game, and I don't know what this goes to. Let's see what this game is. TFD WAD. It is Water No Mori. Don't know what this means, but it's made by Taito, and we're gonna clean it. I keep throwing my cleaning pads down in places where I don't know where I set them, but they're usually like already dry by the time I go to do the next one. I mean, it is alcohol, but it's 70%. It should last a little bit longer. I'm just glad that this is fast and easy now, and it actually seems to work for some of them. And the loading are up. I haven't even had to hit a lot of these, and they just load up. Wow. Cleaning them with alcohol wipes has been a dream. It makes me want to try the first few again because they're loading and they work. And isn't that swell? And it's loading again. Oh, that's where the other one went. Unless that's the newest one. These two are right here. Okay, let's do the next one while this is loading. Game start. Yes, please. So I don't have to flip it to B-side yet? Oh yeah, this one's like a mystery game. I don't know what this is. Now I gotta flip to B-side. Make sure this works on both sides. And it does. Cool. And we can turn that off. Boom. It does have A and B side in the plastic, so at least I know. There we go. It's gonna load a bunch of text that I can't read. Can we get to the part where I need to flip the B side? I don't know what he's saying. I don't know what any of this says, so I don't know if I can. I don't know if I'm gonna get to B side on this one. So we're gonna call it good. And I also just still don't really know what this game is. Maybe it's only a one-side game since it's not asking me immediately to flip it over. And this one, I forgot to look up what it was. This does not look like a billiards game. This is in fact not a billiards game. It doesn't say which one it is, but it's not. I genuinely don't know which one this is, and it doesn't have a code on it, but this is not the billiards game. That's for sure. Oh yeah, I forget you can take them out because it loads the entire game. This game I don't have, and this game I don't have. These are, I don't know what. And did I even clean golf? I don't think so. Still don't really know what this is. Maybe I should try and figure out what that is. These are empty cases. These ones work. I don't know why golf was not cooperating there, but it was giving me error 27. I think I need to flip it to the B side now. And here we go. Or I could just play this on an NES cartridge on my NES and I could understand the language and I wouldn't have to mess with the disc so much or wait for loading. Beautiful. Fun fact, did you know that these golf courses are the same as in Wii Sports Golf, in Wii Sports Resort Golf, and Nintendo Switch Sports Golf? They're all the same. They have not innovated in the golf courses at all since 1987. But golf works. And honestly, golf would probably be the game I'd be most interested in playing on here. I do want to try and figure out what this unlabeled game is. Wait, that looks like the same game. That looks like this game right here. That literally looks like this game. Hold up. Is it going to be the same? No. This doesn't it looks like they like swapped the labels or something because it doesn't even look the same. The label matches the game that's on the unlabeled cartridge, or I guess diskette. So I don't know. I'm cleaning Castlevania again because I want it to work on both sides. So that's interesting. Doesn't necessarily look like the label was lifted or anything. How easily do these things come apart? I don't know. But I think this label is supposed to be on this game, and I have no idea what the game is actually. If you know anything about this stuff, let me know in the comments. Okay, Castlevania. Yeah, we get it. Yeah. Cool. Was this the one that didn't work on B-side? I don't know. So I don't even remember getting this part. I don't know how deep in you gotta go to get to B-side. So maybe I just gave up on that one earlier. Because it looks like it worked. Let's try this expensive game again. Did I get this game to work? I don't remember. Disk error 20, not 22. 22 is like the one that I'm used to getting. I think this was the one that didn't load side B. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this one because it didn't say anything when I eject it to flip it to B side. It's just like, nah. So we'll try this one again. It says disk trouble. What's the difference between disk trouble and disk read error? I don't know. But last one, I'm going to try F1 again. Just one of the copies. I'm not going to clean both of them again. Finally got F1 going. Woo! I only need one copy to work. It's in English too? Change side B. All right, come on, baby. It's all in English. Heck yeah. Not heck yeah when it's gonna go out of focus on me. I guess I'll just stay where it is like half in focus. Oh, okay. There's also a delay because I'm looking at this through OBS. But hey, finally got F1 to work. It's cool. Anyways, I think that's where I'm gonna give up for this video. The only games I couldn't get to work are these two games that are both sequels that I don't have the originals to. So I guess it's not really a loss at all. I may be able to get some of these working if I like tried a little bit harder to clean them up. I don't know. I just saw some streaks on this, so I'm like, maybe I should give it a little dry clean, throw it in there, and it worked. Oh wait, no, this was the one where it says that, and I don't know what it says. I guess I could try and Google Translate it real quick. According to Translate, it says like please load full disk or something like that. But I tried scanning it a bunch of different ways and trying to get different translations because Google Translate sucks. We all know that. But anytime I take it out to flip it to B side, it doesn't do anything. I press all the buttons, it doesn't do anything. I wait a long time, it doesn't do anything. So I don't know what to do about that. Maybe it is just broken. Maybe it loads partially and it's just like, sorry. We'll try this one last time. I don't know if it's going to work, folks. I don't know if it's going to work. Nope. Okay. Well, I'll take only 2 not working out of all of them. And if you have any tips for me as to how to fix error 20 or whatever the heck is happening with the other one, please leave it in the comments. Otherwise, I've got, well, these are empty cases. These games that I really don't know what they are. I've got Castlevania. I've got Mario Golf. It's just regular golf. I don't know why I call it Mario Golf because Mario's right on the front of it. I already forgot what that game is. Metroid, and I don't think this is ping pong. Or no, it was ping pong. Yeah. And then 2 copies of F1 Race, one that works and one that might work with a little more elbow grease, but I don't care because I don't need 2 copies of Famicom F1 Race. This may have been one of my more boring videos, so I apologize if you actually made it all the way through this. Thank you, Mom and Dad.